this is Marko, and in this video I'm going to talk about what is YNAB. But before I talk about it, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically YNAB is if you need a budget, and it's basically a personal budgeting program based on the envelope system developed by a private-owned American company of the same name. And it's available via any internet browser or mobile app. And basically how it works. So it helps you to proactively manage your money by prompting you to allocate every dollar of your income to expected expenses or savings for that month. You have reportings like in three categories. So you have spending, network, income as expenses. Then you have some extra features that allows you to plan as far into the future months as you'd like. Ease of setup and use. Adding your account is easy, but getting acclimated to the YNAB budgeting philosophy and the process involves a learning curve, device compatibility, it costs, but it's basically like a budgeting app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.